Okay, how not there? I'm still chewing stick. This thing I bought at the relay market. So I have just finished my workout session, and I thought it would be a good idea to drop a video to advise you guys on there is something I want to talk about today. See, anyone coming online to sell you herbs, anyone online telling you that you should buy herbs from him or her, that those herbs is gonna help cleanse your body, cleanse your kidney, help you lose weight, is full of shit. That person is scamming you out of your money. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying herbs don't work. I'm not saying herbs don't do those things. Herbs is for the healing of your body, right? Good. But your body is designed to heal itself. Your body is designed to um to repair itself. Almost at every corner of your body. Now I'm talking to my Niger brothers, to my African brothers and sisters. Almost at every corner of your body, there are tiny police stations and military barracks and law enforcement offices all over your body. Oyibo call them lymph nodes. Now, what do these lymph nodes do? These lymph nodes produces something called lymphocyte. What are these lymphocytes? In general terms, people call them white blood cells. These lymphocytes, they will be going all over your body, controlling things that they suspect does not belong in your body, and then they will report back to the lymph nodes, to the police station. Now the lymph node, and when they report back, the lymph node will send them out again and say, hey, okay, this thing we have checked with the headquarters, which is here. We have checked with the, we have filed your report to the headquarters, and the headquarters has replied and have made us to understand that that guy you stopped in the afternoon doesn't belong there. So go out again and arrest that person. So the lymphocyte, the white blood cells will go out again and search for that foreign body, that foreign bacterial, that foreign whatever, and arrest that thing. Now, every organ in your body can repair itself. All you need to do is eat the right type of food, the right kind of things, what your body was designed to be consuming. You're supposed to feed your body with fuel. But when you're eating white flour, when you're eating bread, eating things that shouldn't be in your body, you will start having problems, and some scumbag will come online and be telling you, buy these drugs for $500, buy this toxic for $1,500, buy this detox package for 500 and something dollars. You are being scammed out of your money. If you are having problems, check yourself. Sit down and examine the things you've been eating. The cause of your problems, 99 out of 100 times, the cause of that problem is your lifestyle. If you change your lifestyle, give your body the proper food, the proper nutrition, give your body 2-3 months, your body will repair itself. It will amaze you. I'm telling you now, if you want to like help your body with herbs, if you have goats, if you're in Africa, if you have goats, you have dogs, you have cats, you have cows, you have sheep, whatever pet you have at home, release that pet into the jungle. Follow that pet around. Whatever you see, whatever leaf you see that pet eat, if that leaf is not killing, does not kill that pet, take that herbs, go home, cook it and eat it or drink it. I'm not bullshitting. Don't let anybody, don't allow people fool you, fool you, buy this here, buy that, that. Bullshit. Your body is made to heal. Your body can repair itself. Even if you are suffering type 2 diabetics, type 1 diabetics, cancer, whatever, HIV, your body can repair itself. Your body only needs your assistance. And by assistance, I mean change your lifestyle. Look at your lifestyle. If you're honest, if you can be honest with yourself, you will see that the things you've been feeding to that your body, make I continue the talk. You go see, say the things you've been eating wrong. You've been eating starches, eating carbohydrates, eating these, eating bad fats, and not sleeping, not moving. Your body is made to move. Look at you. You have two long legs. You have two limbs. You have a hair on your shoulder. The only compacted part of your body, the only molded part of your body, if I can call it that, is between your torso and your waist. The rest of your body are like branches, meaning you are supposed to be moving about. You suppose they run. You suppose they climb things. You suppose they work out. All you need to do is exercise. And 30 minutes after exercising, you eat carbohydrate, good carbohydrate. Soluble carbohydrate. Soluble, what? Waiting on the color. Your body can heal itself. At almost at every part of your body, you have what they call lymph nodes. Lymph nodes be like small police stations, law enforcement offices all over your body. These lymph nodes, they produce lymphocyte, white blood cells. Remember, in one of my videos on my Crack House nutritional channel, I talked about the circulatory system. Say the blood consists of 3 things: hemoglobin, water, and these white blood cells. Hemoglobin is the red one that carries nutrients and oxygen from the lungs, goes to your cells, supply them with this oxygen and nutrient, and then collect waste products by way of these lymphocytes, by way of the lymphatic fluid, collect waste products from your cells and take them to the kidney. The kidney will filter the waste products out of the blood, send the clean blood back to the heart. The heart will then examine it, give it a pass mark, and send it back to the lungs to get new fresh oxygen. The cycle continues. Inside that is what we call white blood cells. White blood cells, they follow the waka. They be like your if you be a guy in Africa, you get bodyguards. But you get police escort. Now waiting the happen be that. So every time your body, the white blood cells, they inspect everything where they go on inside your body. If they see person where no suppose they somewhere, they could stop them. They could stop that person, control that person. Exactly what police they do every day. If your body can heal and repair itself, you don't need anyone selling you detox herbs for thousands of dollars. Somebody don't read some books, bring that knowledge, begin they tell you things on social media, convince. I know that there are lots of people a lot of people are sick, and people are desperate for help. People are desperate for solution, and criminals take this advantage to scam people out of money. All you have to do is change your lifestyle, change your diet, give your body 3 months, and you will be amazed. You will be shocked at what your body can do. Your body is a very magnificent machine. All those herbal people, internet doctors, they won't tell you that part. They won't tell you how mysterious and fantastic and extraordinary created your body is. They won't tell you how mysterious, how magnificent, how wonderful your body is. Honestly, your body can do things. See, if you study human anatomy and physiology, you will be shocked. The things you will find out will baffle you. Your body is a very sophisticated machine. Your body is a very sophisticated computer, a machine that can do and undo so many things. Don't let people online be selling you things that don't make sense, don't add anything to your health and all those things, all because they are trying to fool you to buy these herbs. These herbs is gonna help you detox. These herbs is gonna help cleanse your kidney. If you have high blood pressure, don't allow anybody sell you shit. All you need is change your lifestyle, eat nitric oxide, eat potassium-rich foods, nitric oxide-rich foods, and magnesium-rich foods. Now, where in Nigeria can you get those things? Make I give you one tips. You see a dikaikong, you know that leaf where we in the Ibibios and Efik they call a dikaikong pumpkin. Edikaikong, if you check Edikaikong plant, it will grow and then produces this white thing, a very white fruit. We call them pumpkin fruit that time. If I see a picture online, I could put them so that you see. Take the fruit of that thing. If you open that thing, it get so many fruits inside. The fruits, them get black scales on top. Break those things, eat them raw or cook them raw. Those things, they're very rich in potassium and magnesium and nitric oxide. Or you eat any red red vegetable, red underground vegetable like beets. If eat one beet every day, it will be enough to supply your body of the necessary nitric oxides where you need. Now, waiting this nitric oxide they do, they help widen your blood veins and your capillaries and all those pipes where they flow, where blood they flow. Then potassium go help them contract, because now potassium they make them contract. Then magnesium go help them relax. But if you're deficient in any of the three, your blood pressure will start getting high. Yeah. Or if you're suffering from metabolic acidosis, meaning say all the things you've been eating have been leaving acid ash in your body, and it starts to corrode your kidney, starts to corrode your adrenal glands. Now your adrenal glands and your kidney are not functioning the way they're supposed to function, meaning you're not at optimum at optimum homeostasis. Yeah, these things will start sending wrong signals to your brain, and your brain will start interpreting these wrong signals and start instructing your heart to shoot out blood in a way where we say you know suppose. So you check your lifestyle. You get nothing where they cause your suffering and your problems other than your lifestyle, your sedentary lifestyle. You know they move, you know they eat adequate, the proper diet, proper nutrient. Don't let anybody sell you things. Don't be parting with your money. Use that money to feed yourself proper nutrients. Use that money, buy a land. Use that money, buy fruits. Use that money to buy better green vegetable to eat. Don't allow person to sell you herbs. Herbs are good, but you can walk into your forest, dig up herbs, cut tree barks, cook it and drink it yourself. But it's not, that's not all. Herbs alone isn't gonna help you. If you like drink herbs, you can drink herbs from now till I don't know. If you don't change your diet, you can drink all the herbs you drink in this world. Nothing is going to change. That is what those internet herbal sellers won't tell you. You can drink all the herbs you can buy. You can drink every herbs on this planet. If you don't change the things you're putting in your mouth every day, nothing is going to work. A word is enough for the wise. I'm out. Subscribe and like. I'm out, and I'm still chewing stick. Find where they chew sticks. I bought this one at the relay market. Peace, and I'm out.